The global aircraft cabin interior market is expected to register a CAGR of 6.2% during the forecast period 2023 to 2033. Growing demand for enhanced passenger experience is leading to an increase in investments towards aircraft interior designs. Advancements in technology and a push towards luxury travel are significant factors driving the market. The rising number of air travelers globally is also contributing to the expansion of the aircraft cabin interior market. Furthermore, focus on lightweight materials and fuel-efficient designs is shaping the future of aircraft interiors. Regional growth is driven by increasing investments in the aviation sector and the launch of new airlines. The competitive landscape of the aircraft cabin interior market includes several leading players striving for innovation and market share.